Mother is after eggs, but getting them is not going to be easy. The geese will risk their lives to protect their eggs. If they lose them, they can't produce another clutch this season. The fox wins. She gives the first eggs to her young pups, and then heads back for more. Some of the eggs she stashes away. They will be food to help her through the coming winter. In just 3 weeks, she will steal over 800 eggs from the geese. But eating a big egg is not easy if one is rather small. It's a technique the pups haven't quite yet cracked. Mum shows how it's done.